It's like a masochism. Is life just a prison? I cannot tell if it's real or is it just my imagination, cause humans living in a world full of fabrication, which leads to too many complications. Humans claim to be the smartest animals apparently, but with the only animals in history to kill ourselves, yeah, suicide, and cause world wars in the genocide. But we always pride humans to be the most superior organism alive. But all this goddamn pollution is no substitution or solution. I think I'm losing my fucking mind. But when were we given the right to hunt and cull animals like to extinction? It's like humans think our lives are less indifferent, and we have absolutely zero interest about the other 100 million organisms. Man, it's making me feel goddamn belligerent. And fuck this shit. I can't partake in this. We wanna stop wars in the Middle East, but can't even stop people being murdered in our streets. So much violence and wilding, people so afraid so they're forced to be silent. With millions upon millions of homeless people in different countries, going without food for weeks, going so hungry, and plenty of children going absent of their mummies. This world revolves around money, but ain't it funny? Ha! Humans are the smartest organisms in existence that we have developed a system where we dedicate our whole short lives to tend to know, oh why. It's so hard to keep persistent with these living conditions. I'm growing suspicious. The quality of our lives dependent on the quantity of notes you can make all life long. Well, ain't that sad? Does that make you mad? Oh, it does. Yeah, I'm glad. Riots breaking out on the streets, people working their asses off just to make ends meet. War veterans having nightmares in their sleep. All the people just bought the fucking third Lamborghini. Where is this equality that you speak? If you seek, it is underneath thousands upon thousands of layers of heat, never to be reached. And sad has come this far, but you do realize these are coming out sporadic. Mind that is mine, sanity you can never find. Why do we fight? Just to see each other cry? World peace will never succeed, cause we ourselves are placed a gradient too steep. But fuck it, I'm over it. Going to count sheep and go to sleep before I weep, and hopefully just find bliss and venture into a world much more beautiful than this. Good night, you fucking little shits.